This video will show you how to clean your Magicard Enduro3E. Firstly, make sure the home screen is on the display and click the button under Menu on the left-hand side. Select Clean Rollers by clicking the button on the right under OK. The display will show a warning prompting you to remove any cards. Remove the input hopper at the rear of the Enduro. Click Next. The display will then prompt you to remove the die film. Lift the lid, remove the spools as shown and set to one side. Click Next again. The display will ask you if you are ready to clean. At this point, remove the cleaning card from its packaging and click Yes. When instructed, insert the narrow end of the card into the card slot. Your Enduro will grab the card and take it across the rollers before ejecting it. If required, turn the card over and press Yes on the display under Clean Again. Insert the card into the slot as before. The card will automatically eject when cleaning is complete. If you would like to manually clean the rear printing rollers, select the menu option on the display, then click Next under Clean Rollers, then OK. Up and down arrows on the display above the buttons indicate the direction the rollers will turn when selected. Choose the Up arrow button and hold the folded, narrow end of your cleaning card against the main print roller as shown. Close the lid. Open the lid again. Then, using the same arrow button for manual cleaning as before, move the rollers so you can clean the roller at the rear of the printer as shown.